Hi Stampers, it's Elizabeth from stampscrapandmore.com and it is Tuesday, January 17th, 2023. Sorry, I'm lost a year. And it's 8:18 p.m. and I have spa hair. Sorry, just came home from a massage. I made dinner and paper pumpkin was on my doorstep. I have cracked it open because I started filming this and I realized that my camera wasn't auto-focusing again, so I had to fix it. I think I did, I'm not 100% sure. But let's get started and we're going to see what's in this month's Paper Pumpkin Kit. So here's the kit. By the way, it's called Key to My Heart. And let me just go up. There we go. Now we're auto-focusing. I don't know, sometimes it just doesn't want to autofocus. The color is Fresh Freesia, and the stamps are, let me see if I can do this. I always have to flip it over. There we go. You hold the key to my heart, to my Valentine. I love you. Love is the key. And we've got a medallion here with swirls. We've got a key. And we've got a lock, and we've got some hearts. And next month's kit is called Sunshine and Smiles, and I'm going to show you the flyer for it when I'm done, but if I forget, remind me, because it has an add-on to it. I love how they coordinate the tissue paper, so that's Fresh Freesia tissue paper. And it makes, ooh, nice. It makes 369 cards, 3 different cards of 3 different designs. There we go. And open this up. If you are, I don't know when I'm going to post this. I'll try and post it tonight. So if you, it's going to post tonight. I am going live tomorrow night, on Facebook Live, the VIP channel, and on the YouTube channel at the same time. I figured out how to do that. Yay! Let me just zoom in a little bit. I like to zoom in and not get the outside of the desk on there, so it's a little bit cleaner. There we go. All right, so yes, I know how to go live on 2 channels at the same time. I can actually go live on multiple channels at the same time now. All right. Oh, come on, Elizabeth. Here's the pictures. Here's the picture instructions. And let's see, kit contains supplies for 9 cards with 9 envelopes, and they look like they're full-size cards. Coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors are Calypso Coral, Fresh Freesia, Mango Melody, and Petal Pink. And here's some alternate projects. Cute. Okay, so we have some Baker's Twine that's in Calypso Coral. We have glue dots. We have dimensionals. Oh, look at the envelopes. I know you laugh at me, you laugh, but I love envelopes. I love envelopes, especially when they've got fun pattern on the inside. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 envelopes. They're all the same color. Oh, look at this peekaboo. Oh, nice, nice, nice. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So here is, and it's got this peekaboo. This peekaboo action going on. There's the cards. There's 3 here. Ooh, I like. Let me just, oh, isn't that pretty? Oh, I like that. Okay, so that one's going to go there. This one is this pattern. Like that. And remember, we are in the middle of celebration, so you can get, if you order a 369 or 1-year subscription of Paper Pumpkin, you earn celebration product. It's when you place the order before February 28th. So here is the other, and they're all blank, blank and plain white on the inside. There's that card. We have 1, 2, 3 sheets of the vellum. Ooh, nice. This really big piece of vellum, and then we've got this banner flag, and then this flag here. Let me pop it out. I'm going to put the picture beside me so I can figure out which. This vellum, this big one here, goes with this card. There you go. So this one goes with this card. This banner piece, this banner piece I think goes with this card. Oh, no, this card goes with that one. And then we've got this flag. This flag piece. It goes, oh no, I lied, folks. This one goes here. This one goes here. So we've got 3 sheets of those. I'm going to put these on the side. And we've got some die cut to 3 sheets of these. So lock and key. So one of each of these lock and keys, excuse me, goes, 3 go with this one. And this one and this one goes with this one. And the 2 keys. The 2 keys. We've got 1 key goes with this one. And we've got the nutter key. That goes with this one. And we've got 3 sheets. Ooh, we've got 3 of these. And this one goes with this one. And then we've got a sheet of these banner pieces. This one goes with that one. This small banner piece goes with the pink purplish one. And I've got that one. I've got that one. And then this one will go with this one. So those are the components for the cards. And here are the cards, what they will look like. And just so you know, these actually pop out like this. So you end up with the open key like that. Isn't that sweet? Great project. Key to My Heart paper pumpkin kit. And what were the sentiments again? To my Valentine, I love you. Love is the key, and you hold the key to my heart. So these don't have to be for Valentine's Day. You can just not use the To My Valentine, and you can use You Hold the Key to My Heart, and Love is the Key, and I Love You. So just drop the To My Valentine, and you've got yourself 9 cute cards, love themed cards. I was gonna put them together, but no, I'm gonna do a quick video, real quick edit, and upload it so that you can see the paper pumpkin. I want to show you next month's kit. Sorry. Next month's kit is called Sunshine and Smiles, and you can start ordering it now. So January 11th to February 10th. And so it's 9 cards, 3 each of 3 designs with special peek through windows, 9 coordinating envelopes, a Mango Melody stamp and spot, and a photopolymer stamp set. And there is an add-on to this kit. And the add-on is $8.25 in Canada. And it's a little frog and the flowers here. So it's cute, cute, cute. And it coordinates, I think, Playing in the Rain stamp set. Take your crafting to the next level with the coordinating Rain or Shine Sweet collection from the January to April mini catalog. So it coordinates with the Rain or Shine kit. And I think this froggy's too cute. So that is next month's paper pumpkin kit. And now come back to me. And that's it. So remember, I'm going live tomorrow on my YouTube channel and on my Facebook VIP channel. So if you're not a member of the Facebook VIP, you can ask. It's Stamp Scrapper More with Elizabeth VIP. I think that's what it's called. And I'll accept you into the group. Or you can follow along on YouTube, because I know how to do that now. Take care, happy stamping, and we talk to you again soon. Bye.